Whether you own a Pocket 3 or not, you may be interested in this video. If you shoot outdoors, stay tuned. This video is all about trying to lighten my load and minimize the amount of kit I take when traveling. I recently flew to the West Coast to attend my uncle's 100th birthday party. The bad thing was it was Sunday of Thanksgiving weekend, so I knew things would be crowded. I was doing carry-on, so I had my carry-on bag and a personal item. Well, my personal item was my little bag I carry to carry my Pocket 3 and the couple of phones that I take when I travel. The bag was full and I needed to carry the minimum amount of kit. I wound up not taking the phone NDs because the amount of kit it added to my little carry-on bag. You can see here it's about 3.5 inches of extra stuff that I didn't have room for, so I left it at home. Well, as it turned out, I needed an ND filter. And the only ND filter I had was my Pocket 3 ND filter. Well, look at what I discovered. ND filters actually work on your phone. So I have these two Freewell magnetic cases that actually work with the Pocket 3 ND filters. You just have to put the ND filter on the right lens. Necessity is the mother of invention. I'm glad I have the two Freewell cases. You have to have the magnetic back over the phone lenses, which allows the Pocket 3 magnetic ND filter to work. I don't need the two cases with ND filters for phones. I only need my ND case for Pocket 3 ND filters. And as you saw in one of my earlier videos, I use a magnetic sunglass case to hold my Pocket 3 ND filters, which are now my phone ND filters. So here's my iPhone 15 Pro, and it's got the Freewell case on it, so it's magnetic around the cameras. And here is my Pocket 3 filters. It's a nice little magnetic sunglass case. Got to be careful to slide these out, and all you do is slap it on there so you can see. I can't, it's not going to fall off. I guess if you stick it in your pocket it might come off, but it's pretty steady. So we are ready to go now. So if you have a Freewell case, you probably already have the ND filters, but now you can also use your Pocket 3 filters. The cost difference is negligible. It's about 20 bucks for a single filter, 50 bucks for a pair, and maybe like 150 bucks for a set, versus an extra of, I think it's 60 bucks for a Samsung filter, set of filters, and an extra $60 or $70 for a iPhone variable filter. The real difference is the space savings. Look at the size of the filters that go on the two phones. So one, I got to carry those around, and two, they really hinder you using the MagSafe for a selfie stick or any other kind of gadget you want to put on your phone. So it really depends on your use case. For me, I was looking to lighten my bag and carry around fewer things. And for me, this works out. But it doesn't work for every single situation, obviously. I've already found one new use case. I'm using my black mist filter to take still shots with my Samsung phone. Here's one of the Christmas tree. You decide. Faster, lighter, easier.